Hello trade pros. Is your stop always getting hit only for you to see price action reverse and go back in the direction of your original trade idea? Well, today I'm going to show you 2 tips that'll help prevent that and improve your trading success and results. Did you know that 70% of professional traders use limit orders? You should too. Now here's why. When you're entering into a market order, that draws about a lot of emotional feelings. It brings out a lot of negativity, triggers a lot of senses of risk, and it triggers your receptors in the back of your mind to start seeing dopamine, and it throws you off your balance. It throws off your edge and starts getting you emotional while you're in the trade. When you use a limit order instead, you're actually more calm, rational, and you're waiting for your trading level to come to you instead of chasing the market round. So tip number 1 is use limit orders and ditch the market order. Try to stick to the limit order for more of your trades and analyze your results in the first 30 days, and I can almost guarantee you an improvement. And remember, 70% of successful traders use limit orders. I challenge you to try this yourself. All right, tip number 2. Now that you're using limit orders, I want to challenge you guys to use them in a different way. A lot of times traders tell us that their stop loss gets hit and price immediately reverses to go back in their favor. Well, how do you avoid that? Simple. Instead of placing your entry here and your stop loss down here, reverse that thinking and place your entry where your stop loss originally would have been. This looks something like this. Imagine you are getting long right here into a trend, and there's some support below, and you put your stop right below it. All right, what you want to do is flip that and say, instead of the stop, I'm going to put a limit, and your stop loss now becomes a limit. And what you're doing is you're actually buying the sell stops of the long traders. You're getting into the trade. The new you will be getting into the trade as the old you would have been getting stopped out. So flipping that psychology and putting your limit order to get in where your stop loss originally would have been will give you a much higher success rate in your trades, and you will start to buy with the professional and smart money who also utilize this strategy. They look for the stops to run, and once the stops are run, they'll start to accumulate positions for the reversal back to the upside. I challenge you guys to implement this tip, and you'll also see a dramatic improvement in your results. So there you have it. With these 2 tips, you can now avoid being stopped out of your trades often and allow your analysis to do the hard work for you and to do the heavy lifting for you. Now you'll be getting in with the professional money and not getting stopped out like the majority of retail traders. I'd love to hear from you. Please comment, like, share, subscribe, and tell us, how do you plan to utilize and implement this information in your trading strategy? And I'd love to hear from you. What do you want to learn about next? And we'll create it for you. Please comment, like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you at our next video. Take care and have a phenomenal day.